Hi, and welcome to Coding with Jesse. I'm Jesse Skinner, and today I'm working on the administration for codingwithjesse.com. And in this video, I'm going to use React Router to sort of set up the router for my administration so that I can have more than one page on a single page application. So I'm on the React Router documentation. I'm just going to use that as a starting point for my code. So they say to import router, root, and link from React Router, and I will do just that in my index.js, this one, for my view. But I haven't, I don't think I need link right now. I just need router and root. So right now I'm just rendering this div that says I'm in React. I'm going to replace that. I'll get rid of it because it's not really important. I can recreate it. So I'm going to have a router that is my root element for the admin. And I'll have a root. Here, I don't have it memorized. Let's go back to the documentation. So this is what I'm trying to do. Router. Root path is the home, like a backslash. Component, this will be sort of the template that I'll have. So path equals backslash. It might need to be /admin because that's what the URL actually is, but I'm going to find out if that's true or not. Component equals, and I'll have a admin template of some kind, so I need to make that. And then I need an index root inside there, which will be, I'll sort of just say what component to show on the home page. So when you first log into the admin, there will be a list of posts. So I'll have some posts component. So I need to make two components right now. Admin template from what? So let's see where I am. I'm in this view index. So I'll make admin template.js. And then I'll also import posts from post.js. So let me make these two files quickly. It'll just do export default. And here I can have that div class name equals container bootstrap class. And I think I need children, and that's how the page gets rendered. I'm just kind of guessing. Let me double check from it's on a different page, so let me go in the docs more for React Render. Introduction, maybe there's something in there. So in my app, then, it's a child. So child is this actually how you do it? Without React Router. Okay, I was going to say it's pretty weird. With React Router, then it's this.props.children. So in this kind of template I'm using, props is what gets passed in, and I'm going to use deconstruction to pull in the children property of the props that gets passed in as the first argument to this fat arrow function. So that's probably good enough for a simple template. So I'm going to just save that, and then I'm going to make posts. Actually, let's do it as a folder. New folder, posts, or posts. So inside there'll be a list of posts, and then I want to have an add page as well. So I'll make another new file, add, and then those will just be really simple. So I'm just going to export. It'll just say like add page. I'll deal with adding those, filling that out later, but right now I'm just focused on the router. And then here it'll be like list page. And so let's fix that. So post/list, call it list posts, and that'll be my default. And then also you can go to like /add. Maybe I should structure it a little differently. Let's see. So I want to have maybe a posts path. Yeah. So route path equals posts. And inside there, there'll be an add page. How do you do pages? Oh, you just do another route. So route path equals add, and that'll have the component add post. And that I need to import as well. And that should be good enough for this initial demo, but we'll see. So if I refresh my page, which is happening all the time that I save, it is freaking out because I don't have React Router. So let's install React Router. So npm install React Router, save. And I'm not 100% sure my syntax is correct because, well, I just don't know. But I want to have, so the home page will have the listing, and then I'll have, I'm just trying to structure it out in case my min has more than just post editing. I'm sure there'll be more in the future. So it still says cannot resolve module. I think I need to kill my dev server and start it again. Unfortunately, it's not that good at detecting changes like that. So give that a second, and it looks decent. If I refresh, okay, index root is not defined. That's true. I need to require that in from React Router. Refresh, and React is not defined. React. Oh, I need to do that at the start of all these templates. So I'll just paste that into this template and that template and this template as well. And now, list page. Cool, it's working. And if I go to /add, cannot. Oh, I see what's happening. It is using the hash or whatever for the history. So how do I get it to not do that? I see hash history, but I don't really want hash history. I want real history. I thought that's how it would work out of the box. But I see now, maybe not, histories. So it has a built-in history, browser history. Do I have to like use browser history? I would have thought that's the default. What is that junk in the URL? Yeah, that's right. So browser history is recommended. So let's use browser history. So let's go back to that. Close out. Let's go back to that index, browser history. And then what was it? I'm supposed to use it on the history equals browser history. Is that gonna be better? Whoa, what's going on? Okay, if I take this crap out, there's no error, but there's also no, there's nothing. It's so weird. It's because of that history. If I take that out, now I got my list page. If I put that, oh, okay. Maybe I need /admin here. That was my hypothesis early on that I would end up needing that. Yes, that makes the difference because now it's using the actual path. So if I go /admin /add, I guess that's not there, but if I go post add, well, that's not there either because of my web server, I don't have those mapped. So what I need to do is create like a link. Let's make a link on the list page. That's where that link comes in handy from React Router. And I don't know how it works, but I assume it's this and then something. So again, let's go back to the React Router docs, and here's links. Link 2 equals, where to go? 2 equals post add. Posts? I forget. So add new post. It'll be something like that. And now there's a link, and it doesn't work. Was it posts plural? So I'm gonna have to fix that. Add new post. Still doesn't work. My admin posts add. Why wouldn't that work? I don't know. Isn't that funny? Oh, do I need like a backslash? Is it a little too, no, of course I can't get that. No, maybe I need /admin posts add. Add page, cool. So on my add page, I can have a link that says, it'll go back to admin, back. And I'll do like a less than, so it looks like an arrow. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. Add new post. Hey, it was working a second ago. Is there an error? Oh, link is not defined. Import link from React Router. And that should back. Cool. So it's ugly, but it's working. So that's a starting point for React Router. I'm definitely going to have to fix, well, I don't have to, but it would be nice to fix the web server so that everything under admin still went to the same page so that it could still work. I will do that in a future video though, but thanks for watching.